In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike effectively, whether you're a team leader, project manager, or part of a department looking for efficient project management solutions. Wrike is a robust tool that can help streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on making the most out of this powerful platform. First of all, you'll want to navigate to Wrike's website. You can simply open your browser and enter the URL or use the Wrike app if you have it installed. Logging in will bring you to your workspace, which is the main hub where all your tasks and projects live. This is where organization begins. Once you're logged in, start by creating spaces. Think of them as the overarching categories or themes for your different types of work. For example, you might have separate spaces for departments like marketing, engineering, or human resources. These spaces allow you to categorize work according to function or project type so that your tasks don't become a tangled web. Within each of these spaces, you can create folders or projects to further define your goals. This is where you can itemize specific tasks or initiatives, label them clearly according to the objective, and it will ensure that everyone involved knows exactly what needs to be achieved. Next, Wrike offers several different views to help you stay organized. Depending on how you like to work, you might find one view more beneficial than another. Take advantage of the list view for a straightforward checklist of tasks, or switch to the table view to keep track of deadlines and assign team members. If you're a fan of visual progress, the board view organizes tasks like cards, allowing you to easily move them from to do to in progress and finally done. For those who prefer a timeline format, the Gantt chart view can showcase your project's timeline visually, providing clarity on how each piece of the puzzle fits together over time. Now, communication is key in any project, and within Wrike, you can easily communicate inside tasks. Use @mentions to direct comments to specific team members, ensuring everyone gets the notification they need. You can also attach files, images, or links directly to tasks, making document sharing seamless and easy to access for everyone involved. Finally, to keep an eye on how projects are moving along, make sure to use your dashboard. This handy tool gives you a bird's eye view of what's on track, what's due soon, and what may need a little extra attention. It's your go-to place to gauge the overall progress and health of your projects. And there you have it. By taking these steps, you're well on your way to managing your projects in Wrike efficiently and effectively. Implementing these practices will help you optimize how you organize work, communicate with your team, and keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!